What's up guys, welcome back. Another video over here in the garage, and this time I got my Polygon 6Q T8 behind me, and we're gonna do a little bit of a maintenance on this thing because I took it to a trail a couple of weeks ago, and even though it was doing good, it needed something. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So I don't know if you guys remember, but I actually replaced the Tektro levers for the XT, the Dior XT levers on this thing. It still has the Tektro 4-piston brakes calipers in front and rear, but I did replace both of this. But let me show you this one. This is the front one. Goes all the way in, and it was even worse a couple of weeks ago when last week when I took it to the trail. It was way too bad. So I'm not gonna bleed it. I'm just gonna try to let the air bubbles out. So let's go ahead and do that. For that, we're gonna use the bleed kit that I had with the brake fluid and all the good stuff. So the first thing that I gotta do, I'm gonna put this level. I'm gonna put this level to the ground. I'm gonna do both of them at the same time. Since I'm at it, might as well. And what I'm gonna end up doing, I'm gonna put this little cup right there, fill it with the fluid. Well, not fill it, just a little bit. And then we're gonna start pumping this until we don't see any more bubbles out. Now be careful, the O-ring did not come out with the screw, with the cap. The O-ring still is there, so make sure you do not lose that because you're gonna need it. For this, and then make sure you just put it right back when you finish doing this. Then what we're gonna do is put a little bit of fluid in here. And then we're gonna start pumping this thing, and hopefully we'll see some bubbles. Yep. And it's taking a lot of fluid. And the lever feels a whole lot better now. We're gonna put the plug in here so it won't leak out when we pull this out. We're gonna rinse and repeat on the other side. Make sure you put the O-ring back on. Tighten it, but not too much because you don't want to strip this. All right, so shifting has not been ideal right there. So this is supposed to be on the lowest cog and it's not already, so that's a problem. So it's kind of wants to start jumping. I mean, it shifts good and everything, but we're gonna make sure that it shifts as best as it can. And I'm not gonna show you how to do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it and go from there. So right there, let's see. We went back to first 12th gear, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it is actually good then. So maybe it just needs a little bit of lube. So we're just gonna lube it up and that's it. And for lube, I use this one. And all I gotta do is go run backwards in here. And this thing is good to go. So I guess that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. And I guess I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.